The Cosine VS Code extension is a companion to the Cosine CLI. The extension auto-discovers the CLI, streams cosine changes into VS Code, and provides inline actions to open files and divs. What does it do? Shares lightweight editor context, active file, and selection, so Genie can respond more precisely. Adds a cosine changes tree in the Explorer to track files with live previews or SEM changes, and click items to open diffs or previews. Launches a cosine terminal and runs the CLI for you. Streams encoded changes for quicker validation and diff viewing, and more. Ready to check it on your own? Before starting using it, make sure you have the Cosine CLI installed in your Mac or Linux device. To verify you have installed it, you can type in the terminal cos -- version. From VS Code, open extensions, search for Cosine and install. Open a project in VS Code and reload the window. The extension will start a cosine terminal and run cos if auto start is enabled. Use the cosine changes view in the Explorer to preview live updates, open diffs when coding streams complete. Sign in if the terminal shows you are not logged in, run cos login and complete oath in your browser. Provide context, open a file or select a block of code. The extension shares the active file selection with Genie. You can also ask Genie, type your request in the CLI prompt, and watch a live preview stream in the cosine changes view. You can also review diffs. When a stream ends, a native diff opens. Configurable via settings. Use inline actions to open working live or diff for each item. You can also apply and commit the CLI write changes to your repo. Review them in Git and commit as usual. The extension is visual for previews and diffs. It's free, install it today and start using it in your projects. And if you have any feedback, we would love to know it.